Hello everybody and fellow crafters. I have some wedding gowns that I've decided I don't want to really cut them up and sell in pieces. So I'm going to sell the entire gowns at auction. This is going to be gown A. I decided to do some previews of them. If you want to make an offer on them now, you can. You can just contact me on Facebook, but they will go up for auction and they will all have reserves on them. So this is wedding gown A from Davids Bridals. Still has a tag inside. It is a size 26 wide. There is a lot to this wedding gown. It is very wide. This is a big dress, guys. But it is absolutely stunning with all of the appliques. And then coming down the side, all the way to the bottom, you have this on one side. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then the back, the dress is in magnificent shape. Here is the back. It is gorgeous. It is simply stunning. And the appliques go all the way down the center of the back, all the way to the floor and down the train, and then the trim on the bottom of the train is this. It is absolutely stunning, and it goes all the way around the back side of the dress on the train. So yeah, it's amazing to me. Like I said, this is going to be wedding dress A, and I'm sorry I can't get a better shot of it, but the way my webcam is set up, this is the way I have to record it. So if you're interested in A, you can make an offer, and like I said, all of the wedding gowns will have reserves on them, and this is in very good condition. I'm not even sure if it was ever worn, because like I said, it had the Davids Bridals tag on it, and it is simply stunning. I'm going to try to show you. This is the way the front of it ends, but the train comes down and goes behind the dress, and it is just, whew, it is something else. I know the webcam is not doing it justice, but it is simply gorgeous. So it will be an auction. It will have a reserve, and if you're interested, give me a holler. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.